From exercise 5.2, question number 23, it says Salman and Kirti start at the same time from two places 28 km apart. Now, just if this is the place which is 28 km apart, Salman and Kirti, they are at these 2 points, okay? Afterward, the situation says if they walk in the same direction, Salman overtakes Kirti in 28 hours, but if they walk in opposite direction, they meet in 4 hours. Find their speed in kilometer per hour. Let the speed of Salman be x kilometer per hour and speed of Kirti be y kilometer per hour. So, distance covered by Salman in 28 hours, it will be 28x kilometer, and distance covered by Kirti just Kirti, not Kriti, is equal in 28 hours, it equal to 28 y kilometers it will be. Now it says Salman is overtaking Kirti in 28 hours. So the distance covered by Salman is equal to distance covered by Kirti plus this 28 hours, because Kirti is also moving in 28 hours and Salman is reaching to the Kirti. So he is covering the distance covered by Kirti plus this 28 kilometers. So may we write this: distance covered by Salman is equal to distance covered by Kirti plus 28 kilometers. Now we are just according to the question. Salman overtakes Kirti in 28 hours. So we can write distance covered by Salman is equal to distance covered by Kirti plus 28 kilometer, because Salman was 28 kilometer far from the Kirti. So I am just adjusting it. 28x minus 28y is equal to 28, or 28 is common, x minus y is equal to 28, or x minus y is equal to 28 by 28, x minus y is equal to 1, situation number 1. Again this says if they move in opposite direction, when Salman is moving this and Kirti is moving this, so they meet in 4 hours. So Salman covered 4x, Kirti covered 4y, and they are covering in total 28 because they are moving in opposite direction. Or we just write 4 common, x plus y is equal to 28, or x plus y is equal to 28 by 4, x plus y is equal to 7, situation number 2. Now the first situation we have x minus y, and the second situation we have x plus 2, x plus y. So what we will do, we will add 1 and 2. X minus y is 1, x plus y is 7. I have eliminated y, 2x is 8, so x is equal to 4 km per hour. Now x minus y was 1, so 4 minus y is equal to 1, or minus y is equal to 1 minus 4, minus y is equal to minus 3, or y is equal to 3. So y is equal to 3 km per hour. So speed of Salman is 4 km per hour and speed of Kirti is 3 km per hour. Please write it. Maybe you can write the answer here. Is equal to 4 km per hour. Speed of Kirti is equal to 3 km per hour. Answer is written on the top. In question number 24, it says a solution containing 12% of alcohol to be mixed with a solution containing 4% of alcohol to make 20 gallons of solution containing 9% of alcohol. How much each type of solution was added? Now we'll write, let the first solution, the quantity of first solution be X and quantity of second solution is Y. Question number 24. Let the quantity of first solution be X liter and second solution be Y liter. Is it? According to the question, in total, if it is added X plus Y, you get 20 gallons of a solution. This is situation number 1. And second, it says 12% of first solution, so 12 by 100 into X, plus 4% of second solution, 4 by 100 into Y, is equal to 9% of 20 gallon solution. This is the situation. It mixes 12% of, again 12% of X plus 4% of Y is equal to 9% of 20 gallons. So I can write it, or it gives you 12X by 100 plus 4Y by 100 is equal to 180 by 100. Now add 12X plus 4Y by 100 is equal to 180 by 100. 100 cancelled. I have taken 4 common. 3X plus Y is equal to 180, or 3X plus Y is equal to 180 by 4. 3X plus Y is equal to 45. Situation number 2. Now we had first situation, we have second situation. So we just write X plus Y is 20. 3X plus Y is equal to 45. So what we can do? We can subtract to change or eliminate. Minus 2X is equal to minus 25. Subtracting 2 from 1, or X is equal to 25 by 2. X is equal to 12.5 liter, and Y is equal to X plus Y is 20. So Y is equal to 20 minus 12.5, or Y is equal to 7.5 liter. So the first solution was used, that was 12.5 liter, and the second solution was 7.5 liter. So you just leave it up to here only. These 2 sums we have done. You please write it in the copy. Next day we will be solving the next sums. Till then you must keep practicing. Thank you, dears.